So I went over to Walmart and I got me some spring clips, and the red and blue clips I will be using for my mask 1. For my mask 2, I will be using black, silver, purple clips, spring clips. And I got some yarn, which I'll be acting as some rope. And I also got me just a pulley to use when I will create my pulley. Then I also grabbed me a scale, which I did not use. I went back to Walmart and went to the food department and used their digital scale because I could weigh things less than a pound easily. So first thing, I weighed 1 clip, which equaled to what's on the screen. Then I weighed 2 clips, and I converted everything into kg because kg is what's used to calculate force, mass times acceleration. Then I weighed 5 clips, and lastly I weighed 6 clips. And the average per clip is 0.04 pounds, which equals to the amount shown before. I also got me a pair of scissors, and I constructed this pulley using yarn to keep it sturdy, and I used the rope as my support of my masses. First, I put equal amounts of masses on both sides. Tension is equal, and also acceleration is also equal. I then added 5 clips to mass 2, and this caused mass 2 to accelerate downwards, giving it a negative acceleration, and mass 1 accelerated upwards, giving it a positive acceleration. Also, acceleration is equal, they're just going in opposite directions. So that's important to know. And there is greater tension in the pulley because fixed pulleys, which is what I made, is harder to work with. It's actually better to use pulleys such as the movable pulley or the block and tackle are actually easier and require less either distance or work. Next, I decided to add some red and blue spring clips to the other side to see if it'll accelerate if both sides have the same amount of clips, also known as the masses, and this did not make the pulley to accelerate. When I added 1 more clip to mass 1, it also did not accelerate. But when I added 1 more clip, which will make it 2 more clips more than its actual weight, this allowed the pulley to accelerate. So you actually need more weight to accelerate the pulley, and that's what this demonstrates. And also I decided to take it off, and it works vice versa.